power design engineer by profession. First time when I came to know about Dr. Bhojraj was through one of my friends. At that time I was a real patient. I would like to say I was. My name is Rekha. So I used to get severe headaches. All types of headaches, whatever is there in the world I used to get. Either it was stress headache, tension headache, cluster headache or migraine headache was a regular one. I visited almost all doctors and all nursing homes in Bangalore. I became an authority in headache actually, and I went through all possible treatment methods like all CT scans of the entire body, everything was done, and then finally nothing happened, and finally doctor said you have to take medicines, and I said till when? Till some time. Till what is that sometime? Till few years. What few years? Maybe by 75, 80 years, you will get relief. That's what was told to me. I was in real pathetic condition. Then I came to see Dr. Bhojraj, and he treated me, and he put some 4 needles, and not even 2 minutes treatment was over. I was wondering what is happening here. Is anything going to happen, because I am such an experienced patient. But you know, I have to tell you, he is such an experienced doctor, so it was just 2 minutes. And if I can call anything as a miracle, this is what is the miracle which has happened to me in my life. And I didn't get headache for 1 month. There was no headache for me, and I started getting worried. What is happening? I am really not getting any headache. And then again I went to him. He said, you will not get headache because your system is getting corrected. So it was such a relief for me. That is when I thought, you know, there is something in it which I need to really give a, you know, try about. Then I did a basic course with Dr. Sujata, and then I was so very impressed with the entire system that I did a advanced course with Dr. Bhojraj. And sir, I would like to call this, if acupressure and acupuncture, if this is a miracle, I would like to say Dr. Bhojraj is miracle man. and one more incident I would like to share. My husband had a frozen shoulder. From past 5 years he was having problem, and recently it really increased, severity increased. And he was taking this massage therapy, everything regularly, physiotherapy, and he was told he needs to continue it for 1 year. Then I took him to Dr. Sujata. She gave treatment for 3 sessions, 3 days, and on the 4th day she was talking, and casually she said Bharat Mata Ki. My husband, who could not lift his hand this much, he said Jai. That was a real thing, you know, it was a miracle again. I mean, what I am trying to say here is acupressure and acupuncture, they really work. They work as a preventive maintenance things, and they also help you while you are in problem. And I am very happy that I came to know of these things. After so many years of my life, I came to know of this. If earlier I had come to know so many tablets what I had consumed, that would I think I would have reduced. So I would like to thank you very much, sir, for being there for all of us. And in the true sense, Dr. Bhojraj is really Guru. Why I am saying this is, any time you call him with any doubt, any problem, he will give you that confidence, and he will tell you what needs to be done, and he gives the complete knowledge without hiding anything. That is what is the real thing of appreciation, and which is very rare these days. Thank you very much, sir, for being here.